In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with PayPal credit on eBay in 2025, updated with the best way to do it. Whether you're an avid eBay shopper or just an occasional buyer, mastering this process will help you manage your purchases more conveniently and often with extra flexibility that PayPal credit offers. First, you want to start by logging into your eBay account. Make sure you have your username and password at the ready. Once you're logged in, go ahead and browse the vast array of products available on the platform. Whether you're adding items to your cart for a later checkout, or you're ready to make an immediate purchase with Buy It Now, just add whatever you're interested in. This is your moment to explore, but remember, careful shopping is smart shopping. Once you have selected all the items you wish to purchase, it's time to proceed to the checkout page. You can do this by clicking on your cart icon, which should display either a shopping cart summary or directly your items in detail. On this checkout page, you'll see various payment options, but your focus should be on the payment method section. Within those payment options, look for PayPal credit. Now, PayPal credit is a super handy method if you're looking to buy now and pay later. It gives you the flexibility to pay over time, making it easier to manage your financial flow while still getting the items you love. After selecting PayPal credit, simply confirm your payment. It's generally as smooth as clicking the confirm button and waiting for the transaction to go through. A confirmation screen or message from eBay should assure you that everything is settled. However, if you run into issues where PayPal credit is not showing up as an option, there are a few things to keep in mind. Sometimes this can happen due to risk assessment protocols by PayPal, or there might be specific limitations tied to the transaction amount. Occasionally, a merchant might not support PayPal credit as a payment option, or your particular purchase might not meet the terms of the PayPal credit offer. It's really important to verify these things beforehand to avoid any surprises at checkout and to ensure your shopping experience is as seamless as possible. Keep in touch with both eBay's and PayPal's customer service for any questions or unexpected hiccups you might encounter, as their support can often provide more tailored solutions or clarifications specific to your situation. Now that you have all the steps, you're ready to shop with confidence, enjoying the benefits of PayPal credit on eBay. Happy shopping!